Last weekend, we went out to the lake to take our family portrait, and my dad decided it was the perfect time for a mini fishing lesson. He got all the lines ready, and when I saw my dad's pole, I just burst out laughing. I pointed and said, "Daddy, what's that funny red and white ball on your string?" My dad just smiled. He explained, "This little guy is called a bobber. It floats on the water, and when a fish bites, it gets pulled under." That's how I know I've got one. My eyes got so wide. I spent the rest of the afternoon just staring at that bobber, waiting for it to disappear. It was one of those simple, perfect family moments that you just can't plan. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more family stories.